In this video, we will show you how to navigate the Boston Research Map. You will learn how to use the Gazetteer feature, which allows you to look up addresses and pinpoint them on your map, and to use the Measure tool, which allows you to measure length and area. You can access Boston Research Map by going to worldmap.harvard.edu/Boston. The first feature I'll show you how to use is Gazetteer, which allows you to look up an address or a place name to flag the location on your map. So to do so, we're going to click up here where it says Gazetteer. And in this first field here, under place name, we're going to type in the address or the name of the place that we want to flag in our map. So for this example, I'm going to look up Northeastern University in Boston and hit search. And as you can see, it picks up three things: Northeastern University, Northeastern University School of Law, and 360 Huntington Ave, Boston, which is Northeastern's official address. And if you look in this column coordinates, you can see that they actually all have the same coordinates, so we know we're looking at the same location. So I'm going to choose Northeastern University, and I'll move my window here so we can see the map. And as you can see, this little anchor pops up as well as a text bubble showing us what we've chosen, Northeastern. So I'm going to close this, but it'll keep my anchor on the map. And let's say we want to look up how far Northeastern is from Fenway Park. For this, we can use the Measure tool. So I'll zoom in slightly for us so we have a better sense of what we're looking at. And to use the Measure tool, you can measure length or area. And to do so, the Measure tool is right here at the top, and if you click the little arrow just to the right, you'll see you can choose between length and area. And so we can do a couple of things with length here. The first is that we can measure just crow flies distance from Northeastern to Fenway Park. So I'm going to start by clicking on our map, drag my mouse over to Fenway Park, and if I click, you'll see a measure length comes up with 1.01 kilometers and 3,315.52 feet. Now, if you want to release your mouse, you double click, and you'll see that the measure length stays, and that's how far it is to get from Northeastern University to Fenway Park. But let's say you wanted to know how far it is to walk from Northeastern to Fenway. We can use the Measure tool to look at this as well. So I'm going to close this here, and if I hit the Measure tool again, it'll clear our first distance that we've measured. So now let's say we want to know how far it is to walk from Northeastern to Fenway. I'll zoom in one more time. We'll go back to our Measure tool and click the arrow, and we'll click length, and we can actually trace the streets. So we'll start at our point on Huntington Ave, go past the Museum of Fine Arts, go around the Fens, cut through the park, go up Park Drive, down Boylston, and we've made it to Fenway, 1.55 kilometers or 5,095.18 feet. And again, to release our mouse, we just double click. Now, as I said, you can also measure area using the Measure tool. So to clear our measurement, we'll click the X and we'll hit the Measure tool. Now, let's say we want to measure an area around Northeastern University. If we click our arrow again just to the right and choose area, we're now able to draw a shape on the map and measure the area of it. So I can start here, and I'm just going to draw the shape of the area that I want to measure. As you can see, it does not have to be a square. It can be any shape you want. It can be funky. The tool is flexible. And when you're done, it'll show you your measure area, 1.94 kilometers squared, and quite a bit of feet. And again, you double click to release your mouse. Thanks for watching! Need more help navigating Boston Research Map? Check out our other tutorial videos, sign up for our next in-person data portal training, or get in touch with our data consultant by emailing bariconsultant@gmail.com. And visit our website at www.bostonarearesearchinitiative.net.